Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel. In this video, we want to look at how many Ultron coins you can receive per staking hub. So we are answering the question, how many Ultron coins do you receive per staking hub? Now we have about 9 different packages in the staking hub that you can purchase and receive a certain number of Ultron coins for staking and then for waiting for the price to go up and you can sell them one day. So how many coins can you receive per each of the staking hubs? And that's what I want to share with you in this short video. So come with me and let's dive in quickly. Remember to subscribe to our channel and then also turn on the notification bell sign so that when we publish a video, you will know when we publish and you will watch and learn. And so within the next 10 days or less, the decentralized exchange will go live with all the other features. 2 features have gone live already. They are left with 5 other features. And in the next 10 days or less, the decentralized exchange is going live, and then it is highly anticipated the price of the coin is going to move to 0.02. That's 2 cents already at 0.01. And so you want to see where you can take advantage and then you can get your coins before that happens in the next 1 week or few days. So these are the 9 packages that you can purchase and then you can get a number of coins. So you have the first one, which is the lowest, the basic, which is 100 USDT. Then you have the light, which is 300 USDT. And then you have the light plus 500 USDT, the standard 1,500 USDT, the standard plus is 5,000 USDT. And then the premium is 12,500 USDT. And then the premium plus is 30,000 USDT. Then the supreme is 100,000 USDT. And then the supreme plus is 300 USDT. So those are the 9 staking hubs you can purchase depending on your wallet, depending on your purse, depending on your financial strength, and depending on your financial goal for this project. And so we want to find out for each of these packages when you purchase, how many ULS or Ultron coins are you going to receive. Now when you look at each of them, you can see the stake ratio. That means you are going to get that ratio or that proportion of the coin. So I'll just explain in the next slide so that you see that the base one is 0.6, then 0.65, and then 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then the higher package is the last 4 packages from premium to supreme plus. You get your full package, which is 1.0. So what does that mean? Let's go here and then we see. So here you can see the staking hub. I'll show you all the 9. So you have the basic, light plus, standard plus, premium plus, supreme, and supreme plus. Those are the 9, and these are the various calls as we saw in the previous slide. So you can see from the lowest, which is the 100 USDT, right up to the highest, which is 300 USDT. Now the launch price of Ultron coin was $0.01 or 1 cent. So if you want to go by this, then the expected number of coins at the launch price should be this times this. So you get this and then you find out that will give you 10,000 ULX at the launch price, 10,000 ULS, and then 30,000 ULS, and then 50,000 ULS, 150,000 ULX, etc., up to 30 million ULX. But I showed you that they have a rate, a staking rate. So look at it. You have the stake ratio that you get for each package. That means you don't get those expected full prices here, except for the last 4, where you have the 1.0. That is where you get the full. But the lower ones, you see that it is reduced. So you have a percentage. So instead of the 10,000 ULS coins, you are receiving 6,000 ULX coins at this stake rate. So the actual stake ratio per package is this 0.60. So it means out of the 10,000, you are going to receive 6,000 for that package. And then for the 30,000 for the light, which is USDT 300, you are going to get 65% of this, and that gives you 19,500 coins altogether. And then for the third one, light plus 7 0.7. So you are going to receive 35,000 coins out of the 50,000 coins. And then so you see that the higher you go, the higher the stake ratio goes. So this is 80%, that's 0.8. So you are going to receive 120,000 instead of the 150,000. And then the standard plus, you are going to receive 0.9%, or that's 90%. So you are going to receive 450,000 out of the 500,000. But when you go to the last higher packages, from the premium plus, supreme plus, that's from 12,500 to 300,000, you see that one is all 1-to-1 ratio. So you get the full package as at the launch price. So you decide where your financial strength is, and then you are going to choose which of them. So just to inform you, these are the current rates that you are going to get. So for the 100 USDT package, you are going to get 6,000 ULS or Ultron coins. And then from the 300 package, you are receiving 19,500 ULS. And then for 500 package, you are receiving 35,000 ULS. And then for USD 2,500, you are receiving 120,000 ULX. And then it continues like that. So these are the number of coins, or the ULS coins, you are going to receive for each of the packages. And then now let's look at it. So it's the same thing here, summary. But the only caution here is this is at the launch price, which is at 0.01 until the DEX launch. I told you that the DEX is going to go live in the next 10 days or less. We started counting about 2 days or 3 days ago. So it's likely it's going to drop before the 10 days. Now it is highly anticipated that at the launch of the DEX, the price is going to go up to 0.02. That is the phase 2. And then that means the coins are now going into the public domain, and then demand and supply will now determine the price. But at the launch of the DEX, the price immediately is going to 0.02. And then it means the number of tokens you are receiving right now before the launch of the DEX is going to halve. If the price goes to 0.02, it means instead of 6,000, you are now going to receive 3,000. And instead of 35,000, you are now going to receive 17,500. And instead of 120,000, you are receiving 60,000 coins. And then for 450,000, you are receiving 225,000 coins. And then it continues like that. So the best time to purchase your package now is now, before the next 10 days or less than the 10 days, so that you can get the full package. The more, and you know, crypto, the more the coins you have, the higher your chances of making good money. So the more the coins, and then the price goes up, that is your profitability. So I will admonish you, if you intend, don't sit on the fence. You know, sometimes we look at all these things and we say we want to wait and see whether this thing is a scam or reality. And sometimes we lose the juicy part of some of these opportunities. And then later on, when the thing becomes saturated or oversaturated, then we now go in. No, sometimes risk taking is very important. Everything goes with risk, but sometimes the higher the risk, the higher the return as well. So I will admonish you, if you really desire to go into this thing, do that within the next 5, 6, or 7 days before the decentralized exchange goes live. Because when it goes live, as a matter of fact, it is live already, but just that the staking, the farming, the gaming are not active yet. So just join. I'll leave the link in the comment section. So the first part of the first phase was the pre-launch stage, where people receive bonuses, extra percentages on the amount purchased. And that is the second phase, where we are just referrals. You refer, you can only purchase still insider when you are referred. But in the next 10 days, when the DEX is launched or the decentralized exchange is launched, it means you can now go and purchase on the public market. You can go to the swap, the Ultron swap, and then with any other coin that is pegged with the Ultron coin, you can do the swap there, and then you can get that. I promise you, from that time on, the coin is going to be 2 cents. It means you are going to get half the number of coins you will get now if you purchase. So don't waste your time, just move in, and then let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Let me quickly show you that the decentralized exchange is already launched, so you can see it here. So you can see that ultronswap.com, it is already online, but you can see that the only 2 features that are active right now is the swap of the ULX to the WULX, and then the bridges. So you can see the swap is coming soon, liquidity is coming soon, farming is coming soon, and then staking is coming soon. So the next 10 days, what is going to be launched are these 4 features. It means you can swap the Ultron coin for any other coin, or any other coin for the Ultron coin. You can also provide liquidity. I'll do another video where I'll show you 8 ways of making money with this Ultron Foundation project. And so I'll show you, these are a number of them: the swap, the liquidity, the farming, the staking, and 5 others. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.